Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to sell mobile spare parts online. First, begin by thoroughly researching the market to understand current demands and identify your target audience. Consider specializing in a niche, like specific phone models or part types, to stand out. Next, choose a robust e-commerce platform, such as Shopify for a dedicated store, or marketplaces like Amazon and eBay to leverage their existing customer base. A well-structured business plan is crucial for guiding your initial setup and future growth. Sourcing high-quality mobile spare parts is fundamental to your success. Look for reputable wholesale suppliers or directly contact manufacturers to ensure authenticity and reliability. It is vital to implement rigorous quality control checks on every single item you receive to minimize returns and build customer trust. Aim to keep a balanced inventory, stocking popular items like screens and batteries, while also having essential components readily available. Efficient inventory management will help you avoid costly delays and keep your business running smoothly. To attract customers, effective marketing is key. Establish a strong online presence with a visually appealing and easy-to-navigate website, optimized for mobile users. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your products and engage with your audience. Employ search engine optimization techniques to ensure your store ranks high in search results, increasing organic traffic. Finally, actively encourage customer reviews and testimonials. Positive feedback is invaluable for building credibility and driving new sales. Efficient logistics and outstanding customer service are paramount for repeat business. Offer fast and reliable shipping, with options like 2-day or express delivery, to satisfy customer expectations. Clearly define your return and warranty policies, making them easily accessible and understandable. Provide exceptional customer support, responding promptly to inquiries and resolving issues efficiently. Remember, satisfied customers often become loyal advocates, leading to valuable word-of-mouth referrals and sustained growth for your online mobile spare parts business.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.